Hello friends, today we will study Urdu alphabet and transcriptions. Alif will give you A or A sound as in ab. Be will give you B or B sound as in baap. Pe will give you P or P sound as in paap. Te will give you T or T sound as in Taj. Similarly, Te will give you T and T sound such as Tap. Se will give you S sound in summer, which means fruit. Jim will give you J sound or J as in jal. Che will give you ch sound, ch sound as in char. Badi hai will give you h sound or h sound as in hal. Khe will give you kh sound or h sound as in khat. Dal will give you D sound or the sound, thus. Dal will give you D sound or D sound as in dar. Zal will give you Z sound as in zara. Re will give you R sound or Ra sound, Raj. Re will give you Ra sound such as chidiya, which means bird. Z will give you Z sound which means zar, zar means gold. Z will give you Z sound which means zala, that is snow. Sin will give you S sound, sir, head. Sheen will give you sh sound, sha, as in sham, evening. Swad will give you sa sound, sahib, companion. Zwad will give you z sound, zid. To will give you ta sound as in tota. Zo would give you z sound as in Zafar. Zafar is the name of a person. Ain will give you a sound, heavy a sound, or a sound, ashik. Ashik means lover. Ghain will give you gh sound or gha sound. It will be heavy. Ghalib, poet Ghalib. Fe will give you f sound as in fatah, that is victory. Kaf will give you q sound, that is qalam, pen. Kaf will give you ka sound as in calm, work. Gaf will give you g sound, that is gardan. Lam will give you l sound as in lip, lub, lub. M will give you m sound or ma sound as in mama, maternal uncle. Noon will give you n sound or na sound as in naak, nose. Wow will give you wa sound or v sound, that is wadi, valley. Choti hai will give you h sound, hum, we. Choti ye will give you e sound as in pani, water, pani. Badi ye will give you a sound as in mahine, month. Thank you.